am Tina, I am 34 and I live in the Cotswolds. My hair was always my confidence, it was my identity, and it was the one thing about me that I really did love. My journey took a downhill spiral about July 2021. I was 32 weeks pregnant and I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I remember one of my kind of first questions, aside from am I going to die, being am I going to lose my hair? Had the baby and started chemo within 2 weeks. My hair then started to fall out. My identity, my confidence was falling out with it. I guess I had to find new ways to be confident, whether that be wearing wigs, wearing headscarves, or styling what hair I had. It took a long time for me to get here, so it's been 2 years. Now that it is all one length, I'm super confident in what I've got. I felt unstoppable when actually physically I was probably at my weakest. I felt like I'd been brave and courageous and powerful, and I made it through a horrible journey. For someone that's in my shoes, I would say have hope. I didn't think I would be sat here with a little bob telling my story, and look where I am.